In this video I'm going to show you guys how to delete a blank page in Word. So if you want to do that, then make sure you watch this video till the end and you should be able to do that. Let's get started. So first of all, open a Word document of yours. I got mine right here, and as you can see there's a blank page right here. I can click on it and press backspace how many times I want, but it doesn't go away. So what you want to do, click on this icon right here, the paragraph icon, and it shows you all these things, all these sort of icons. So what you want to do, select the selection break right here and just press backspace. So as you can see, the blank page is gone. So if this video helps you out, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you guys next time.
If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.